Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I shall be sharing with you the recipe for this water. This is a wonderful water which has cured my pimples. It has made my skin clear. It has given me even skin tone. I have been using this water since 1 month. I had pimples, so I had to use this water, which with regular use has made my skin smooth, soft and supple. The pimples have disappeared, the pigmentation have gone, and it has given me clear skin. So if you want to know how, so this holy grail water is nothing but rice water toner. This is the toner which I have been using for my skin for past 1 month, and it has given me glass like finish. It has almost cleared my pimples and even out my skin tone. So this is very easy to make. It is made from the ingredient which is easily available for you. So if you want to know, please continue watching. To make this rice toner, I will be using rice 1 cup. You can use any type of rice. It has all same properties. It's good in natural starch and amino acids which can exfoliate your skin. It can remove dead skin cells. It can lighten the skin, reduce dark spots and even out your skin tone. It's rich in antioxidants. It contains vitamins and minerals. It will help to cure acne, inflammation and redness. It will also reduce fine lines and wrinkles. By regular use of this rice, it can help to reduce pigmentation also. The method to make this is very simple. You need to wash the rice. You need to wash at least 3 times in running water so that it removes all the impurities of the rice, the dirt and mud, whatever the rice has, it will remove all that. After washing it for 3 times, you need to soak it. So after washing it 3 to 4 times in running water, you need to fill this bowl with clean water again. I have taken double the quantity of water. That is, if I have taken 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water is what I need to soak this rice. Soak it for at least 3 to 4 hours. Cover it and soak it. And after 3 to 4 hours, you will see that the water has turned cloudy. The rice has soaked well. So this is the rice water which you need, and this is very clean water. It's full of antioxidants and minerals. It has soaked up well. Just take a spoon and mix it well again, so that whatever the starch which is settled at the bottom comes up and gets mixed with the rice water. So this rice water is what you need. So collect this rice water in a bowl again. I'm going to directly pour this cloudy rice water into this bottle. If you're not comfortable doing this, you can collect it in a bowl, filter it and then pour this water into this glass bottle which is clean. I have washed this glass bottle, cleaned it, and I'm going to use this bottle to pour the rice water. I'm going to cap it tight and let it sit for at least 1 or 2 days, that is 24 hours to 48 hours. If you have room temperature, that is if you have AC room, air conditioned room, you can keep it for 48 hours, or if it is open like this, you can keep it for 24 hours. So I have kept it for 24 hours. So this is how it looks. It's become a little bit more cloudy and it is fermented. That is what I am going to use. I am going to use rice water which is fermented, which is full of antioxidants, and this is best way of using rice water as a toner. So since I have used this for a month, that is why I am telling. You can also directly use this rice water without fermenting, but this method of fermenting rice water and using it by adding some few other skin loving ingredients, like for example, I am using glycerin and a few drops of vitamin E oil, and again some geranium oil, because the rice water which you have fermented has little bit of sour smell. Suppose if you don't like that smell, if you are not comfortable with that smell, you can add some essential oil which has that perfume, like I'm using geranium. You can also use tea tree or lavender. So this gives quite a fragrance to the rice water, and also it keeps your skin cool and very comfortably. It can absorb the rice water. So I am going to add all these 3 ingredients: vitamin E oil, glycerin and essential oil. Mix it up. The quantity of all these ingredients 2 to 3 drops, otherwise less than 3 to 4 drops. So the toner is ready. it can be used now. To use it, you need to transfer the contents into a spray bottle and spray it on your face. If you don't have spray bottle, you can dip it in a cotton wool and then apply on your face. The remaining contents can be stored in the refrigerator. You can use it for at least 7 days. The same method. Always make it small quantities, as I usually say, and it will be fresh. So this best time to use this is after you wash your face. When your face is still damp, spray this and let it dry, and you can continue using your moisturizer or serum, etc. later. So this helps best when you come home from the sun, when your face is sunburned, and this rice water which is stored in the refrigerator can be directly applied on your face, which will instantly reduce inflammation and keep your skin refreshed. So this is the best way of using skincare rice water on your skin. It's a Korean skincare treatment which I have been using for quite some time, and it has helped me and my family members, whoever is suffering from this pimples. It has really helped them. Therefore, I have made this video. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like such videos, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please